Okay, alright, so first put the bottle in the ring. Cap stays on. Cap comes off last thing. But then we have to adjust the height. You can see that this is going to go much lower. Your igniter is going to get taped here in the center of the ring. You want to tape the paper, not the foil. So leave the foil free, but tape the paper so that
tape it down like right here?
Yeah, that the igniter cannot wobble out of place. Okay, a little bit on the other side will make it secure. Electrical is next, so you need to clip one on one side, one on the other. Okay, then I need to separate the top here. Alright, looks good. Okay, that looks like a nice igniter. So now, you've got water in there. You need to let the water drip out here. And then gently over the top with your bottle. Okay, over the top. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, wait.